If you want to restore backup from your Google Drive on Nothing Phone 3, then we can do this while we have the initial configuration on this device. So right now I am performing the first setup, and we have the Google sign-in screen. In this case, I need to sign into my Google account, and this happens pretty much after you connect to Wi-Fi. So this is more or less the next screen that you will see. So just sign into your Google account and then let's proceed. Of course, we need to agree to Google Terms of Service. And let's wait a couple of seconds. You might see an option to set up a PIN code or password to your lock screen. I'm just gonna skip that. This is not important right now. So let's skip, and this is the screen that we are interested in, copy apps and data. There's also a similar screen before that, where we can set up this phone by using another Android device, and technically this can also be used, but if you're looking for backup from Google Drive, then this is what we are looking for. So over here, once you see this, you want to go next, wait a couple of seconds, and then you should be able to find backups. If you have backups, of course, on your Google account, then you should be able to select them over here, and you can choose the backup that you wish to use on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.